of you!
Once upon a time, a wicked dragon ravaged the land, leaving rubble and ashes in its wake. Despair loomed, yet a lone armored knight rose up. Riding a white horse, he wielded...
Oh, really?
Huh?
We've heard this dusty old story 1,000 times. Boring.
It's a wonderful story.
Thank you. But it's fallen out of favor these days. No one cares about a knight's tale. Best be heading home, young lady.
This path. You know well what that power heralds. Nothing but overwhelming fear. The harder you strive, the closer the storm. Only restraint will light the way forward. The name Carpathia is long forgotten, lost to time. Do you wish to lose your future as well?
Fear is to be expected. But fear is all it is. To let it stop me is an excuse. If I embrace it, I will break free. A false knight like me needs no armor to shield her, nor a white horse to carry her past. Now, with this sword bestowed upon me, I shall bring the dawn to all!
Whatever past lingers, whatever future calls,
From now on, every moment ahead shall forever be free of the abyss!
scared of you.